Okay, hello guys, let me take you through the process of making these frames which we put in Kenya Langstrop. There are some of the simple steps which we use. One of them, we use wires in this frame so that it can be strong and also get to be able to reinforce the wax. So yeah, we have got machines which you use to stream the frames. For example, this is my frames which I want to stream using the machine. Let's have a look. Okay, from that moment, after streaming, you now put in the Langstrop.